Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of academia and share valuable tips to help you excel in your research endeavors. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important section of your dissertation, the results section. Specifically, we'll dive into strategies on how to write a results section that effectively demonstrates your expertise. So let's get started. Strategy #1, provide a clear and concise presentation of your findings. The results section should present your findings in a clear and organized manner. Begin by summarizing the main findings of your study, highlighting the most significant results. Use concise and precise language to describe your findings, avoiding unnecessary technical jargon. This demonstrates your ability to effectively communicate complex information. Strategy #2, utilize appropriate visuals to enhance understanding. Visual representations such as tables, graphs, and charts can greatly enhance the clarity and understanding of your results. Choose the most appropriate format to present your data, ensuring that it is visually appealing and easy to interpret. Clearly label your visuals and provide detailed captions to guide your readers through the information. This showcases your ability to present data in a visually engaging and accessible manner. Strategy #3, interpret your results and relate them to your research questions. In this section, go beyond presenting the raw data and provide a thorough interpretation of your findings. Explain the meaning and implications of your results and how they relate to your research questions or objectives. Discuss any unexpected or contradictory findings and offer possible explanations. By providing insightful interpretations, you demonstrate your expertise in analyzing and deriving meaning from data. Strategy #4, compare your findings with existing literature. Situate your results within the context of the existing literature in your field. Compare and contrast your findings with previous studies, highlighting any agreements or discrepancies. Discuss how your results contribute to the existing body of knowledge and whether they support or challenge current theories or models. This showcases your understanding of the broader scholarly conversation and your ability to contextualize your research. Strategy #5, address limitations and suggest future directions. Acknowledge the limitations of your study in the results section. Discuss any potential biases, sources of error, or constraints that may have impacted your findings. Additionally, suggest potential avenues for future research based on the gaps and unanswered questions revealed by your results. By demonstrating a critical awareness of the limitations and suggesting future directions, you showcase your expertise in evaluating and advancing research. By employing these strategies, you can write a results section that effectively demonstrates your expertise. Provide a clear and concise presentation of your findings, utilize appropriate visuals, interpret your results, compare them with existing literature, address limitations, and suggest future directions. Remember, this section is an opportunity to showcase your analytical skills and your ability to derive meaningful conclusions from your research. Thank you for watching today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less. Happy writing!